In this video, I will show you how to deploy the React application to GitHub pages in 5 easy steps. First, you should create a public folder in your GitHub account. After creating a repo, clone it to the local computer. Switch to a new Git branch with the following name. By default, GitHub will try to deploy your application from this branch, but I'll show you how to change it a bit later. Now I should install the React application, and I am going to use Vite Bundler. But your choice might be different here, and you can use Create React app or something else. Let's check that our React application actually works and it successfully runs. The second step here is adding the GitHub Pages package to our React app. You can do it with the following command. Third, we need to declare our homepage path inside the package.json file, as you can see on the screen. The link should contain your GitHub account name and the repo name at the end. It will be a public link to your application. Fourth, we should add extra scripts to our package.json file. It is going to be pre-deploy, where we will run our app building and deploy. Here we should pick our build folder, which must be created after a successful build. Because I use Vite as a bundler, the name of the build folder will be dist. But in Create React App, it will probably be build or custom. Also, for Vite, we should specify a repo name as a base URL in Vite config. The last step here is to deploy our application. But before, we should push all our changes to the remote repo. So I will do the initial commit here and press the push button. Now let's deploy it using the following command. A short time later, we can open our React application on the GitHub pages using the home page link. You can also configure GitHub pages in your GitHub account and, for example, change the source branch. Subscribe if you like it.